All right, folks, so here we are. Right now it's early summer, and we're with our Easy Pickins trellis system and our Blackberry. And you can see here at the base, we have our first year canes growing nicely up through it. They're all contained within. And there is a few, this is actually a weed, but there might be a few shoots that don't, and you can always pop off your little hoop here in the front by placing those tabs and then just sliding that cane in so it's corralled in your trellis system and snapping this back. And up here we have an example of one of the canes that hasn't grown up through it. So we're actually going to do that today. And this is part of the little bit of maintenance that you have to do, is to train those canes through your hoop mechanism. And after planting, we didn't really do anything to this. We gave it a little fertilizer and kept the weeds out from around it. But other than that, just keeping your canes growing up through your system. And the other component is to pinch back your tips so you get some branching off of these canes. All your fruit production is going to happen off of these buds next year that are behind the petioles. So if you see that little bud that's just now developing behind this stem, your leaf stem called a petiole, that's where your shoot is going to form, where your fruit production is going to be next year. And that's why this system works so well, is because keeping those canes upright in a small space like this, you get sunlight, which is really what these buds need right now, they're getting exposed to that sun. And so by pinching these tips, which I've done here already, just tipping back some of the growth so it's about waist high, you're going to get all kinds of lateral branching, which is also going to bear fruit next year. And you just keep doing that. These canes are going to grow up quite a bit more yet this summer, and we'll show you in another piece actually how much fruit you can get off of these with our ripening fruit here next door. In a couple of weeks you'll see that. Wonderful trellising system, and I hope you give it a try, because you can grow tons of blackberries with something like this variety here, which is Triple Crown. You can grow 23 pounds of fruit off of this system.